Now the important one, Invoice Management System. As an optional introduced from October 2024. But we all are talking about whether this is going to be applicable. As per this recommendation, quite obvious, we need to get ourselves prepared. Invoice management system. What is that invoice management system? Being supplier, when I'm supplying, I need I raise tax invoice. So while filing GSTR1 or before filing GSTR1, I am going to upload such invoices on IMS portal, Invoice Management System. Those would be available to you, to recipient, to buyer. They can see, view. And once I file GSTR1, you have 4 actions to take. Either accept those invoices if related with you, reject those invoices if it is not related with you, or some particulars are not correctly filled, which you want your supplier need to correct it. Keep it pending for region. You got the invoice, it's pertaining to you, but you have yet to receive goods or services. So maybe credit it, move to subsequent tax period. And last is no action, which is deemed as accepted. So there are 4 action provided. Now, what they are saying, it is worth noticing that they are going to amend Section 38 of CGST Act, which is pertaining to ITC, read with Rule 60 of CGST rules. And they are saying that your credit, buyer's credit, recipient credit, now as per 2B. So if you accept the invoice, then it will flow to your 2B, which can also be recomputed, possible before filing your 3B, recipient. But your credit would be dependent on GSTR 2B on invoices accepted by the recipient on IMS. I have prepared one video which is there on my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel and click this link which is provided. This document going to be given in description box, which you can download for yourself and pick up all relevant, the terms which I've highlighted for your easy digest. This link is being provided for watching my detailed video on IMS. They're also talking about another change, and which is to amend Section 34, subsection 2. It is pertaining to what? Credit note. So credit note issued by supplier under GST, there are 2 actions. Supplier get adjustment of tax, that tax charge on credit note get adjusted with his output tax liability, and simultaneously buyer, recipient need to reverse ITC, input tax credit, to the extent of tax charge on credit note. So it's simultaneous activity. We have seen in the past that supplier may have adjusted the tax component on credit note, but whether recipient buyer has reversed the ITC, there was no mechanism available. So in the past, they have issued one circular number 212 dated 26 June 2024 for the past period. If amount involved is less than 5 lakh, then at least supplier can take certificate from the recipient for reversal of ITC on such credit note. If it is more than 5 lakh, CA or CMA certificate, right? But henceforth, it is all now through a system which got started on GSTN portal, already got started. They are saying they are going to amend Section 34, subsection 2 to specifically provide for requirement of reversal of ITC as attributable to a credit note by recipient. So they're going to amend to enable the reduction of output tax liability of the supplier. So both the activities going to be done together. Portal has effected, law is going to be amended. They're going to also insert a Rule 67B to prescribe the manner in which output tax liability of the supplier shall be adjusted against the credit note issued by him. To amend Section 39, subsection 1, read with Rule 61, to provide that Form 3B of a tax period shall be allowed to be filed. 3B shall be allowed to be filed only after 2B of said tax period is made available on the portal. So you will be able to file 3B only when 2B is made available on the portal. Good one, but only thing sometime we have seen technical snag and challenges on portal. 2B is not generated. And it is kept for a defined time period. What happened if specified date passed away? So we have seen in the past they have extended time period, but now they are saying that you will file 3B only after 2B is made available on the portal.